Okay, now you've downloaded your the Game Day Film software and you've installed it, and now we're going to upload a test game. This is actually how you set it up. If you've got a mini DV camcorder, this tests that end to end. If you have a hard drive based camcorder, we'll cover that in another tutorial. So as always, it's good to log in. This just sets up some security things. Okay, and of course we have no games. That's what we're going to do, is upload a game, so I'll minimize that. So in the installation step, you made a shortcut. So what we got to do now is install a codec. Some computers already have them installed, but oftentimes we find they don't. So what we're going to do is open the file location, and here we have this file called PDV codec. Double click on that, and if you have like an XP machine, you'll see these different INF files. In fact, depending on how your computer's set up, if you're not showing the extension, you might not see the INF, but you can tell by the capitalization that that's this file, and they're just named different. So anyway, if you've got a 32-bit machine, you right click your mouse on this and click install. If you've got a 64-bit machine like a Vista or a Windows 7, you would right click this one, install. Having said that, I've known that there's been some cases where apparently some users have installed the PanaDV 64-bit on a 64-bit machine. It didn't work, so they installed the 32-bit and it worked fine. So maybe you can install both of them. Okay, once that is installed, then we're going to double click the Game Day Film shortcut, and there we go. And so what we're going to do, the codec's installed, we're going to download a test game. This mimics the mini DV AVI files. So this just brings down a couple of files. It creates a game called 00-Game Day Films. These files are quite big. Each one of them is 20 meg, so it's going to take a while to download. So I'll come back in a minute or two when they're done downloading. Okay, the second file's on its way down, and there we go. So now those two test clips are down. So it says now you can go to generate clip screen to process the files and upload to the web. So we'll do that now. We'll ignore this for now. We'll just go do that. So we pick the game. There we go. So it's ready to go. It's telling me to generate and upload. I'm going to choose to do it without sound. There we go. So what this is doing now, it's compressing that AVI, which was 20 meg, making it much smaller and adding what we call keyframes so that you can single step back and forth through each clip, each play, so you can scrub them, as they say. And now this is saying it's uploading it to the web. And right now we could actually go to the web. It's done compressing, and now it's uploading the last one. Now it's totally done. So that's that. So let's go back up here. Okay, I'm going to come up here and just simply refresh the screen, and now you see that we've got that game. And I can start viewing them. That was an offensive kick. I can start PAT good. I'm going to go to the next clip, which is totally unrelated. They're not in sequence, but that's offensive run. Okay, so what this shows you, shows that everything is now working on your PC for mini DV cameras. And I'll show on another tutorial how you actually pull it off your camera to upload a mini DV game.